Well, hello there. Let's make some delicious ice cream using the sugar apple. So this is the sugar apple, and up close. Sugar apple all washed. And now I'm just going to cut it. This is how it looks on the inside. Now I'm just going to scoop the flesh of my apple into my bowl. So it is not overly ripe, which makes it easy for you to just peel the skin, and then you're left with just the fruit. Using a fork, I'm just going to try to smash my apple. We are actually trying to get the puree from this, so this is what we have. I'm just going to run this through a strainer to get the creamy part out, and I'll be left with the seed and the pulp. And this, so good. So sweet. So now I'm going to pour my mashed up apple right here into a strainer. Using a clean spoon, I'm just going to mash it just so I can get the creamy part to seep through. That's where the main work is. But this is so good. It is actually worth every effort. So I have approximately a cup of the sauce from this fruit. This is all the pulp. You could pretty much blend and add this in here, but I want my children to enjoy it, and I've tried this that way before. They did not like it, so I'm just going to use the sauce, and this is pretty much good for you to eat. Oh, you don't want to forget the bottom of your strainer. It has a lot of the goodness still hanging there, so definitely get it. And this is the sauce, and this, like I said, is not waste at all. So this is the sauce. Very creamy, quite sandy in texture, and very, very sweet. So this is going to help you cut back on the amount of sugar for this recipe. 4 cups of whipping cream. I have my whisk straight from the freezer. I typically like to have it that way, chilled. And like I said in my other ice cream video, you could chill your bowl as well. At this point, your whipping cream is thickening, quite foamy, and you want to pay attention to it right now because it takes just about a minute before it starts curdling, and on that way, you might as well just go ahead and make some butter. It's stiffening just like you would with whipped cream, and that is what the texture you want for your ice cream. Perfect texture. You go any further, we're going to start getting, this is the texture you want. Beautiful, very so this is the texture you want. Fluffy and stiff. And for the sweetener, I'm going to be using some lechera. This is the condensed milk of choice for me. Use whichever brand is available to you. I think I got my money's worth. And now I'm also going to pour my sugar apple. Making sure that I scrape the cup. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now we're gonna just fold everything together. Mix it, mix it. Scrape and fold. Scrape, fold, scrape, fold. Until you get a perfect consistency, which is about now. You also don't want to overstir because you don't want your cream to go flat. So this is pretty much good. Now this goes in the freezer for at least 6 hours. It's ready.
Delicious. 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 Can you smell the aroma? Yeah. From what she was kitchen. Yeah. Delicious. Yeah, yeah. Delicious. Delicious. Yeah, yeah. Delicious. Delicious. Delicious.
This is very good. I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Another one. And somebody already finished this. This actually tastes like Ghanaian Fan Ice with a little extra yumminess. The sugar apple gives it a little bit of texture. It is a little bit gritty, which I really like, the sandy texture of it, and so good. You really should try this. You will love it.